Hello, and welcome to our quick tip. We're going to go through a recent error that you'll see on your Power BI desktop file. So recently, when working with theme files, you'll see that there is a error importing your theme file. So if you get this error in the February 2023 update of Power BI desktop and newer, you try to import a theme file, you'll get this error box. So in order to resolve this issue, there's actually an issue inside your theme file. So for the first time ever, the Microsoft desktop team has produced a checker that will check your theme file. And in this JSON theme file, I added a specific custom data field. This is something that Power BI does not acknowledge as a field that could be required inside your theme file. So what happens if you add this field into, or you have a field inside your JSON theme file and it fails to load? It's because your JSON is incorrect. This is noted in the Power BI desktop notification or their monthly blog for February. A couple things I'll point out here is main point here is there are mistakes that they acknowledge that can occur inside your authoring of JSON theme files. And then they are also publishing a new schema to Power BI users to check your theme file. So because we can go check this out. It's on their GitHub page. You can click on the link inside the blog article, and it'll take you to this page where you can read all about the JSON scheme and additional features that will be added here to this theme. This would require you to go out and edit and modify your own JSON theme directly, which we know that no one really likes to do. So I'd like to also provide you with a solution and or an update to the world's greatest theme generator. So I'll also quickly point out here, themes.PowerBI.tips has recently been updated to incorporate all these changes. Anything you have for errors or issues around those theme file properties will also be updated and currently added into our tool. So you can add your colors here on the main page by clicking and dragging around here, the color selector on the right-hand side or left-hand side here. Once you have a color palette, you can go over to the properties, and we've recently updated the theme generator to have many more properties. There are over thousands of properties in here for each visual. If you click on the global properties here on the left-hand side and scroll down this list here, you'll see that there are many more theme properties available to you through the theme generator. This covers all theme properties for all visuals that are labeled inside the Microsoft spec. You can click on individual chart types and you'll notice each of the theme properties are updating, and it is massive. There are hundreds of properties per visual now. So that's all incorporated. One other thing that we'll note, and we'd like to release to you as well, is if you like your theme file and you've done a lot of work on it, either generating things in your palette and or your properties, you can now sign into Power BI Tips. We offer a service that will let you sign into the theme generator. And if you sign up for a subscription, either $3 per month or $2 per month, if you sign up for a full year, you're now able to create all of your themes directly inside the palette generator here, just like you normally would. You can collect them all. And you'll notice there's a nice little eyeball here on the homepage. This will let you preview your files, your theme files. Any of the colors that you select, it'll show you the selected colors and it will preview a report directly for you. So you can see what that would look like inside a report that you potentially would build. Also, if you go into the properties area, you'll be able to add or adjust any of the properties here. So I'll select the color for the background items. And then we have some new toggle options here where you want to show the background or not. You can toggle that on or off. You can directly select toggling option of that Boolean feature, either on, off, or don't set the property at all. And then finally, you can use the save button now. So I'll just edit the name here, sample theme, and then you can hit save. This will now save it to your library that you have. And when you go into my themes area, you'll see that you have a theme successfully saved and it'll be in the themes area. So all of your themes will be checked out, saved right here on your profile. And then for each theme file, if you want to adjust or see what that would look like, there's a preview button in all the theme files. So you can go out and check to see what they look like as you have them rendered into an actual report. All right, that's it for a quick update today. Good luck, and we hope you enjoy the new theme generator.